Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to convert two mono recordings into one stereo. First of all, we need to open Audition and drag both files in that program. Then we need to create a multi-track and drag both files on that timeline. Click on one audio twice and in the waveform right click and choose Convert Sample Type. You have to be sure which file is your right and left recordings. In my case, I know which file is right and left, so I choose stereo and put 100% on my right side and 0 on left for this file. Then we need to do same thing with other audio file. But instead of right, you need to put 100% on left and 0 on right. Then on your multitrack, you need to highlight both files and go to multitrack, bounce to new track, selected clips only. And voila, it converts to a stereo track. Hope that helps you guys on your projects. Good luck and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.